guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Tube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can remove your old account in your Netflix. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, just log in with your account on your mobile device. I'm using an Android version, and once you do it, just choose a profile that you visit and you'll be over here in this particular platform. Once you do it, just go all the way down to your bottom right until you find this My Netflix option, and then go to all the way top corner on your right, 3 lines, and then go to accounts. So once you are over here, scroll a bit until you find manage access and devices. Just go on it and then choose your old Netflix account, which one is, and just press on sign out, and then you will be able to remove your old account at Netflix. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.